I want to say, give me an idea for a title. So I'm going to use the same input that we used for webinar for marketers about how to use AI copy generator tools. Or wait a second, webinar about how to use AI copy generator tools, say, for marketers who want to improve their content creation. Oh, that's funny. I'm being asked what I'm looking for when using StoryLab.ai. Well, nothing much right now. Thank you very much. I want to improve their content creation process. I want to write, this time I want to write in a more bold style. So once again, also here with the title generator, there's a little bit of information of how to create a better title. You've seen that the way that the input field is set up, we're actually asking you already to think strategically about what you want to accomplish with the story. With all of the information that we're giving you today, you're already able to do that, but we're just nudging you along in the process. The filter is set to the tone of voice that I want to use. Now I'm going to click Inspire Me. And once again, you see in the top left-hand corner, the AI is thinking, and it comes up with 5 really nice, ready-to-use titles that I now get to select one. So supercharge your content creation with AI copy generator tools. That's nice. Unlock content creation with AI. That sounds a little bit more bold. Double your content output with AI copy generator tools. Let's say I want to use a little bit more a clickbaity title, right? But I think it's a little bit much. So let's say I want to say optimize instead. I can edit it right here in the editor, and I can say click save, and I'll find it later in my saved